Generative AI is incredible. It can help organizations cut costs and boost productivity, but there is a significant gap between an impressive demo to a fully functional, enterprise-grade application that can serve thousands of users. I can download a large language model and build a chatbot or even a RAG system in a few minutes, but how do I make sure that that code can really scale and can serve many users? Well, we all know how fragile Python code could be. How to make sure that that code could be accelerated not only on a specific hardware from a specific vendor, but can run on any cloud platform, on any CPU or GPU. How can I guarantee that my code is secure and the data used by the application that sometimes uses an external API does not leak? Let me tell you all about OPEA, Open Platform for Enterprise AI. Let's create a simple generative AI application. Let's generate text, for example. It all starts with selecting a language model. There are many models to choose from. Maybe it's a public model, maybe you fine-tune it yourself. An LLM is never 100% validated, and its outputs are never fully predictable. So it's essential to process the generated text to ensure it doesn't hallucinate or produce substandard results. So let's implement a guardrail. You need to provide the model with a coherent and comprehensive prompt, sometimes including directives to the operator, for example. So prompt processing is necessary. To enhance the model's knowledge with your private or more up-to-date data, you need to process the new data. Data can come in various formats, so you need the right loader, the right splitter, the right, maybe customized to your need, tokenizer, and the right embedding and ranker, and so on. Many components, many building blocks. We want all of these blocks to communicate seamlessly to each other, allowing us to plug and play new, alternative, or improved components. In order to do that, each component must have a clear interface specification. This is one thing that OPEA provides: standardization of inter-block specifications. We want each of these blocks to operate independently within its own environment or a container as a microservice. Please check my other video on why microservices. These blocks must be compatible with any cloud environment and capable of being accelerated on CPUs, GPUs, AI accelerators, and more. This is another great value offered by OPEA. The best place to start is probably at opea.dev. Some explanations about the project, testimonials from multiple stakeholders, a list of partners and contributors. I would then skip to the technical documentation, getting started with OPEA, the project architecture, how the microservices and the megaservices work, getting started with a simple example, and you can follow these simple instructions to implement it on multiple cloud platforms. AWS, Google, IBM, Microsoft, they're all working. Or check the definition and how to operate each of the microservices or the full example application. Check out my other videos on why and how to operate microservices, on how to operate the full OPEA examples, and more. Subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.